into the tunnel.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Hudson and Wilson Dilks. There we go. I want you to
Hey guys, welcome back. And today we're going to be taking you through on a vlog of the MotoGP. So this is at Silverstone, and we're a guest of Dorna for the FIM GP of our like 160 Cup. So we're going to take you through the day. Really excited. We've got all his passes. Feel really important. But yeah, we're going to take you through the day. Really excited. So let's go in. We're just about to walk in now. Ooh.
When you were sort of a little bit smaller, who were you watching on TV?
Well, when I was smaller, I watched Rossi a lot with my mum and dad, and we always used to sit in the living room and watch it every weekend. And that was when I was doing trials. But now, and then I moved on to Marquez. I was in like Marquez era, and then now my favourite rider is probably Jack Miller.
Are you sure you're only 12 years old?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You're not like 32, just like, you know.
No, 12 years old.
Wow. Doesn't he talk well? They both talk well, don't they? Aren't they doing great? Now, yeah, in terms of this championship then, just for a lot of people here, they might not have seen the mini GP. You know, I've seen it. Just explain the format of the weekend, boys. How does the weekend work?
So you'd arrive we'd probably go on the Thursday, and then we'd go, and then we'd wake up on the Friday, and you'd have full practice day on Friday and do tweets with your bag and stuff. And the next day, that'd be on the end of the Saturday, you'd have your first sprint race. So you'd have qualifying there, and then you'd have your sprint race, and that'd determine where you are the next day. So you'd have race 2, do race 2, and then you'd have race 3, and that'd be it for the weekend. Or after, it's a good thing as well, because it's like a new friend group as well, that you're not just having friends from school and that. You've also got like biking and stuff like that.
Yeah.
We all sit around at the end and all go on scooters and bikes and on bike rides and stuff. So yeah, it's a really good fun thing to do, and it's just a day out on the weekend and all. I'm just gonna warn you, yeah. And then just send it up. And then you just send it us there.
Do you want to be in the vlog? Aston, so we're asking ground there, doing the screen, so I actually record.
We've just got into the MotoGP paddock now. And we've just got off the stage. Yeah. Marc Marquez and Alex Marquez's truck. Look at that.
Is the world. I don't do ugly empty gates, do I? I really don't. No.
Something in the middle. Wait, I'm doing a video.
Any more?
Just in. I reckon I dropped it in that time. They're out. Just getting signatures. Show us your book. Then. Mark's about to come out.
I have a friend that does this. He's gonna be so pissed off at me.
Easy.
Oh my god! Right, we're on to the final trick now, number 3. We're going to turn the difficulty up a little bit. So we're going to stand the bike still like this, then spin around and grab it again.
5,000. 5,000.
Oh, 5,000, come on. Let's give it a round of applause. Let's go,
make some
Come on.
noise. Wow.
5-1. We haven't finished yet. Thank you for your clap. 5-1. 5,100. 5,001. Right down at the back at 5,100 pounds. Everybody happy. At 5,001, we sell to the highest bidder. What was your bidder on this one? At 5-1. Is he not bigger on the step again? How long one? He's been a hell of a good bidder all night. At 5,000, what have you got another bidder? 5-2. We haven't finished yet, sir. 5-3. 5,003 on the stair. 5,003. Last call. 4. 5-4. 5-5. Come on. 5-5. Yes or no? Be brave. 5-5. 5-6. 5-6. 5-7. 5-7. 5-7. Last call. 5,007. Hell of a bidder. 5,007 I sell. Have you done? You happy? 5,008. 5,008. 6,000 pounds. 6,000. 6,000. 6,000. Come on. 6,000.
Go on.
Everybody else, I sell twice at 6,000 pounds to the highest bidder. In red, on the stair. Best bidder of the day at 6,000 pounds.
Here's the guy that helped to design it. They're going slow because you're too quiet. You're too quiet. You're still too quiet. Hey, nice to see you again. Hey, Becca, how are you? Good to see you again.
4,002. 4,002. Bids are down on the phone. I'm on a 4,200 pound a bid. Last call. All happy now at 4,200 pound. The bid's down here. I sell at 4,200 pound, and it is sold. Thank you.
Woo! Nice one! Fantastic! Congratulations!
Brilliant.
Who won that? Who won that?
Then we got the one draw, which is strategy of capturing. You can draw there on 110.
here day 2. We've just arrived at the campsite now, so we set up his caravan and stuff. And we're with a group. So yeah, it's going to be a good day. For today, guys, fun that little rave. Well, it weren't little, but proper fun right in the middle of it. Yeah, been here with Zane today. We're gonna go back to camper. We set up earlier on this morning, and we're gonna wake up tomorrow, and then we got Kaiser Chiefs on. So
At night.
at night, yeah, same time as this probably. So yeah, all good. See you tomorrow.
This way, you've got to have a really good balance bike. You've got to be confident with your front tyre, and you've got to trust the front end and throw it into these corners. When I think of that, I think of Romano Fanati, who's a bit of a king of that, and Jean Massier.
Scott Ogden, you can see on your screens there, preparing to go out in Q2. There's a bit of pressure, of course, obviously.
What did you say? Yeah, going round now. These guys are going to get panicking. It's a little wet, so they'll go.
finished watching the MotoGP race. Started raining halfway through. We thought they were going to pull in for tyres, but they're not. And we're just walking across this massive bridge.